Hello YouTube, Ollie the Repairdo here. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are my upcoming repair video plans for this channel. The first is the Galaxy Note 2. This has a memory chip issue on the motherboard. I tried to revive using the SD card boot method, but it failed with error messages. Hence, I could replace it with a motherboard. I got it from TaoBao. I already ordered it, but it haven't arrived yet. The second is the Oppo R7. This has a bad screen issue. It shows blank screen and also the screen is damaged. Hence, I'll be replacing its screen. I also get a screen from TaoBao. I already ordered, but I haven't arrived yet. The third is the HTC M8. This has a 9008 mode when connected to the computer. This means it's stuck on the Qualcomm EDL mode, aka Qualcomm Emergency Download Loader mode. I tried to revive using the SD card method, but it failed to turn on even with reviving SD card installed which connecting the image. Hence, I'll be replacing the motherboard for this phone. I got a motherboard from TaoBao, which is the Verizon version, but the Verizon version motherboard had a bad ESN or a bad IMEI number. That's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed what I'm saying. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you really like the content. Please comment and share this video, and also please hit the like button. Please donate. The donation link in the description below. See ya!